If you have ever locked yourself out of a phone with a forgotten password, or you've been stitched up with a mate who's changed your passcode on you, then this video is for you. Let's go. Picture this scenario. You've just woken up after a rough night out, and you've just plain forgotten your passcode for your phone. Or you've bought yourself a secondhand phone off Facebook Marketplace. The person you bought it from has decided not to factory reset it, and they've left their Gmail account logged in, which means that, well, you can't get into the phone. With either of these situations, that phone that you've bought, whether it be your own or the one you've purchased, is completely useless. It's become a brick. Until now and the software I'm about to show you. The amount of times I've seen a phone go back to Samsung just to be reflashed to get the phone unlock service done, just because of a simple thing like a passcode being forgotten or an email account being logged in, is countless. It wastes so many people's time, and there's a solution for it that means you don't have to do that. That solution is through Dr.Fone by Wondershare, the sponsors of this video. Dr.Fone is a comprehensive phone unlock service. You download the PC client from their website, and then you choose the plan that you want to go with. If you want to unlock your locked device, you plug the phone via USB, and you go into the toolbox in the software. As you can see, there's a number of services that this software provides, and I'll touch on them in a moment. You select screen unlock, you select device type. So for us, it's Android. Then you pick your brand. Now, depending on your problem, there is unlock screen or remove FRP. After you select either option, you then select the brand. For 100% data wipe to remove the screen lock, you choose the first option, and you only choose the second option if you have an older Samsung device. Hopefully everything on your phone is backed up. So if you're watching this just as a precaution, as in you don't want this problem to happen, so you want to make sure you save everything, back up your phone now, because that way, at least you have everything ready for if you do ever encounter this. For factory reset protection, or FRP, it's a simple one-click option to bypass it and get you into the device you've rightfully purchased. So that is a brief overview, but let's show you the process from start to finish. Firstly, with the software open, make sure you've got the toolbox menu open and you select screen unlock. From there, you are greeted with two options, either Android or iOS, and depending on which phone you've got to unlock, you select the platform that suits you. Obviously, we're Android, so I'm going to select that. The next menu option there gives you two further options. Now, depending on your problem, you can either select Screen Unlock if you've forgotten your passcode, or you select Remove Google FRP, which is removing Google's factory reset protection. And again, in our case, we're going to be removing Google's FRP unlock, so we're going to select that option and go to the next stage. This will bring you up a selection of brands to choose from. Samsung is selected as the default, but you can, of course, select other brands. But obviously I've got a Samsung, so that's what I'm going to select. Then you select Start, and it takes you through to the next section. This is where the latest update to Dr.Fone actually makes this process a whole lot easier. Right at the top, there's an AI-powered solution called Smart Recommendation. This will use AI to match you with a recommended solution based off the phone type that you've got. So if you're unsure, you can select this and then hit Start. From there, it's going to prompt you to plug your phone into the PC, so grab a USB-C cable, make sure it's plugged in the computer, and then plug it into the bottom of the phone. And then it will go through a process of reading your device. And once it registers what your device is, it comes up with the device information. In my case, it's giving me a dialog box with the phone model code, with the Android version, and with the chipset manufacturer. So it knows then what to do with all that information. Underneath, it will provide you the solution that's recommended based off the above criteria. And then you just hit Confirm and Unlock Now to begin the process. There is some further instructions that it takes you through, and you just make sure you follow them as they are prompted. And then after you go through those and you start the process, the countdown bar goes, and then before you know it, you've got your phone unlocked, ready to enjoy, like it never happened. The other aspect of this is that Dr.Fone can act as a companion to your phone, as well as also being a backup solution too. Let's have a tour of the program as it appears on your PC. You have the Toolbox tab. This is the tab that has the screen unlock, but also it's got the virtual location of your phone as well as a WhatsApp transfer, which is neat. Have a full video on that. You can go check that out. There is a recover data option too. This allows you to recover any deleted or lost data from your phone, as well as some broken phones too. Pretty neat. You then have your device that is connected, and there are two ways to connect. You've got USB and you've got wireless. USB will provide you the strongest connection, but that doesn't mean wireless shouldn't be cared about or spoken about. When your device is connected, you have some similar options from your toolbox, but you also have file transfer. I want you to picture this scenario here, right? I've just taken a really nice selfie on my Z Fold 6 here, which Could be a phone that maybe you've picked up secondhand, and I want to be able to get it on my computer. But my computer isn't a Samsung laptop. There's not an easy way to get that transition. Well, with this software, I can hook this up and then I can go into the phone and the folder structure of the phone and drag and drop it out of the phone onto the computer very, very easily. It's very simple. I just go into Phone Companion and you've got the option to go USB or wireless. So I want to do this wirelessly, and then it gives you some prompts here. So for iOS, you first need to do it via cable, but for Android, you've got the option to scan the QR code and download the Dr.Fone link app. So you can choose either way. Let's go USB for the purposes of this one. So I've got my USB cable, plug that into the laptop, and then I plug this into the bottom of the phone here. And then I hit allow, and then it automatically will put the Dr.Fone software onto here. I hit Phone Companion, and before you know it, I've got my phone up here on my computer. The great thing is, using my mouse, I can control everything from here. So you can see I've got photos, and it's got photos that are on the camera here. There's that beautiful selfie. I can select it, and then I can hit 2PC, and then it's now going to send that across to the computer, and I just choose where I want to put it. So I'm going to put it on the desktop, hit OK, done. That's now on the computer right there. It's very comprehensive, and transferring files from here onto a PC is a breeze. You then have a complete backup option too, which gives you the option to take what's on your phone and create a backup of it. So if this does happen in the future, you can restore it from that backup. There's also screen mirroring to your PC, so you can take what's on your phone screen and mirror it to your computer and then control it from your computer, which is great if you want to just leave your phone on your desk and work from one device. The screen mirroring function is great too. So if I didn't want to constantly have to pick up my phone and interact with it, I can just activate the screen mirroring from the laptop, which means I don't have to pick up my phone and I can do it all from one. Very, very easy. So once it's plugged in, you just go to the screen mirroring part of the software here. I can make it full screen, and then I've got control over my phone using my mouse. And I can launch things, like if I wanted to take a look at what's in the gallery, I can. And it's great because this gives me another option to be able to view and interact with the files on my phone, and also create like just a different new workflow. There's a toolbar here as well, which allows me to access a screenshot tool. I've also got other tools and settings that I've got here as well. Screen recording, it's great. This is what makes this service so comprehensive. Not only does it allow you to recover stuff off your phone, not only does it allow you to get into phones that you've purchased that maybe you can't get into, but it also allows you to back up your phone and then control your phone and sort of create this all-in-one solution. That's the win. I love all-in-one solutions. It's why I love things like Samsung DeX. That's why I use Samsung at all, because they have so many products that cover so many different things. So if you're looking for a way to control your phone end-to-end from your computer, whether it be recovery, whether it be mirroring, whether it be file transfer, Dr.Fone by Wondershare is the perfect all-in-one solution for you to use. I've chucked the link in the description for you to check out. Thank you to Dr.Fone for sponsoring the video again to bring awareness to everyone of this great service. Hit subscribe to Tech with Benefits or my new channel, more tech, more benefits, if you want to check out more stuff as well. And I'll see you guys in the next one. You!